welcome back to Sewing from Scratch. I hope you are having a fantastic Monday or whatever day you're watching this. Today I am rounding up everything I made in July and showing it to you right now. So before we get into it, I know I said right now, but I have a couple of things to address. Number one is you may have missed the giveaway video that's going on right now. A while back, I hit 1,000 subscribers on my YouTube channel right here. Thank you so much to those 1,000 people who got me there, and every single subscriber since then. I really appreciate it. So when I hit that number, I started purchasing things for a giveaway, and here is the pile of things. If you want a closer look, I can't really show you my favorite thing in here. You can't see my two favorite things. Anyway, if you want a closer look at that stuff, you're gonna have to head down to the description box. I will leave a link there for the giveaway video. Make sure that you get entered to win that. You do not want to miss this prize pack. It is valued at over $300, probably closer to $400 realistically, and you really don't want to miss it. There's some amazing things in there. It's things that you maybe wouldn't normally buy for yourself, but that will make your sewing journey more fun and easier and just that much more special, because who doesn't love to win stuff? So when you're done watching this video, make sure you head down to that description box, find that link, click it, go check out that other video, watch it so you know what is in the prize pack and how you can win it. The other thing I need you to do right now is hit that subscribe button in this, I think it's in this corner. Yeah, I think it's in this corner. If I'm wrong, laugh at me, whatever. Anyway, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss future giveaways that are coming up. And I really appreciate it. We are on our way to 2,000 subscribers. Again, I mentioned this in the giveaway video, but if we hit that 2,000 subscriber mark, I'm going to be adding something else to the giveaway package. So if you're not already subscribed, hit that button, try and bump us up to that 2,000 number so we can make that giveaway pack even better. All right, now into what I made in July. So July was kind of, I don't know, it seemed like a long month in terms of like when I think back of what I sewed, but at the same time, it went fast, right? So I don't know, it was a weird month. I think I say that every month. I started off July by making some bathing suits, and I do have a video dedicated just to these swimsuits, so I will make sure to link that down below as well so you can check that out. So right now I'm not going to go through like a whole bunch of detail, I'm just going to kind of show you them. So the first swimsuit I made was the Vernazza top from Friday Pattern Co, and I used this black and white polka dot from Black Rabbit Fabric. Love this pattern. Next time I'll need to make the cups a little bit bigger, and I think I might still add some elastic into the waistband. I hadn't put it in there before because I didn't think I needed it, but now because the cups are a little smaller, I think I might just seam rip and stick some elastic in there, kind of sneaky like, and it'll be good. But yeah, super cute. Just I really have to watch for wardrobe malfunctions, aka nip slips, because it happens, and it happened on the beach. Luckily, no one was watching. Leave me a comment down below if that has ever happened to you. Please let me know that I am not alone in that. The bottoms for that, I did not use the Friday Pattern Co bottoms simply because I guess I didn't want to. I don't know. They aren't high-waisted, so I would have had to like adjust them anyway. So I used the Liz Sews panty block pattern drafting video here on YouTube, and this is how those came out. Really happy with these. Again, I talked about this in my swimsuit video, but their size me, like that's it. I don't care what the number or the letters tell me they are. Their size me, and it's given me motivation to start making my own blocks for like everything. So that's what I used for that, and super cute. Love this suit. The next one I made, it's in the wash, I don't have it with me, is I used the Ladies Bahari pattern from Bella Sunshine Designs, and I hacked it to be like really low scoop back in the back, and I had to like add length to it and stuff. Again, I go through all that in that other video, but I used this very beautiful beautiful striped fabric from Sitka Fabrics. This was the first time I ordered from them. Again, I did a swimsuit fabric haul video as well where I talk more about that and the cost of it. I love the stripes, and as soon as I saw those stripes I had to have them, and it had to be a basic one-piece swimsuit, but I wanted to add a little something something, so I scooped out the back there. I still have a lot of this fabric left over, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. And then the third suit I'm actually wearing right now, and the top is the Reno swimsuit from Seamwork. I always have a Seamwork discount linked for you guys in the description box as well if you want some money off your first month of Seamwork. I don't love this top, but you guys, it's actually the one I've been reaching for the most because it has the coverage and I don't have to worry about the nip slips like I do in the Friday in my Vernazza. So yeah, the thing I didn't like about it was the pattern instructions and the way some of the stuff came together, and just the finish of it in terms of my own sewing, as well as, you know, the instructions. I should have changed a few things, but I just did it right like the instructions, just because that's how I like to do it when I try a new pattern. And then the bottoms, I used again that same self-drafted block that I used for the polka dot bikini. I used for my rib knit one as well, and this sage rib knit is from Sitka Fabrics as well, and don't think I'll buy it again. If you want to know why, check out that video down in the description box to find out more. Alright, next was camping, and I took 4 different things. Well, I guess technically it was like 6 items camping, and I made a video about camping or sewing away from home, so I'll link that below for you guys to check out as well, because I do talk more about how I did that and what I did to prepare for sewing away from home. The first thing I made while we were camping was an around the block, or no, anything but basic tee for my little guy, and these are pajamas. His sister has matching ones that I've shown you before, and this is fabric. Actually, the panel was a D-stash and I had the coordinate in my own stash, and this is art gallery knit fabric, so it's like, it's so soft. I need to make myself some clothes with art gallery knits, but that is the top I made. And then I made him 2 little pairs of sleep shorts using, I rubbed off a pair that he already had, so I just copied the pattern and then I made 2 pairs. So I made this matching I don't know what you call this, like aqua-y? I don't actually remember the exact name of this. It's a Tencel jersey from the Fabric Snob. And yeah, so I made the pair in this, and then a pair just in black bamboo French terry, but it's really light, so again, super cozy to sleep in. And then with that same Tencel, this is actually the third item I've made with that Tencel, and I think that's it. I don't think I have enough to do anything else, maybe some pockets or something, but I made this Hala Stardust tank, and this is from the Fabric Snob. Yeah, I said already about the Tencel being from the Fabric Snob, but so is this rib knit. I don't think they carry it anymore. It's not a custom fabric, it was a retail fabric, but yeah, I don't think they carry it anymore. Sorry, I don't have modeled shots. I pulled it out to do modeled shots and there's a stain on the boob, so this has to go in the wash. I guess follow me on Instagram for some modeled shots of that. The thing, I did sew this while we were camping as well, and I was kind of rushing through it. I didn't follow the instructions exactly on the armband, so like for the arm side, so there is like this weird ripple here. So if you do sew the Hala Stardust, when you're putting the armband on, don't stretch the armband in this area. Just kind of let that be like a 1-to-1 ratio, and then stretch the rest of the band, and that will take care of that little puckering. It's not awful, but I noticed it because I didn't do it properly. All right, and these were done before camping as well. These were right at the beginning of the month. Maybe even before the swimsuits, I can't remember. But I made myself the Nolan pattern from Seamwork, but I hacked it to be shorts. And now that I'm thinking of it, I don't have modeled shots of these. Guess I'm going to do some modeled shots of these before the video comes out. Anyway, I used this amazing green, deep green, I think it's called like forest maybe, or pine, I don't know, I can't remember exactly what it's called, but it's from Blackbird Fabrics and it's bull denim, And I did like a cuff on the bottom here, and it has big back pockets. Again, I will link seamwork down below for you guys and all the patterns and everything that I've used and fabric and all that. I really wanted gold buttons. Like that's what I had in my mind, was gold buttons down the front. If you are an unlimited seamwork member, you get the button hack for the Nolan pants included in your membership. So I didn't have any, so I had to use these ones that I had with the coat of arms on them. The buttons keep falling off. I don't know, apparently I don't know how to sew on buttons. So tell me in the comments, how do you sew on buttons? Because apparently I don't know how. And there was some issues with this. So I did make a muslin, and it was kind of baggy, but I was like, well, when I use different fabric, it'll be fine. No, I made the size that I measured into, which I think is 16, which like seems crazy off for what I normally make, and it was. I had to take in a total of 4 inches all around, so I took in like 1 inch on each, or I guess 2 inches on each side, and then that's kind of how I fixed it. I didn't do anything in the middle here because like that would have been a lot of work to take that all in. So because I took so much in on the sides to make it tighter, it stretches across the front more. So these buttons don't, like they look like they're being pulled apart and tight, when in reality it's actually still a little bit loose. But yeah, so when I make them again, I'll need to do some work on that for sure. Like definitely size down, probably 3 sizes at least. And then, you know, make a proper muslin, not like how I did. And yeah, but if you want to see a video on how to turn a pants pattern into shorts, then give this video a thumbs up, because it's not as easy as you might think. And there's another pattern that I want to try this on as well. So yeah, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see that in August. Anyway, I do love these. I have been wearing them, but now, again, the button fell off, and actually I don't know where the actual button is. So I think I'm going to just put some black buttons on here because I don't love these. Again, I was picturing like nice big gold buttons, but I only had 4 and I needed 5. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with these. All right, then the next thing I made, I started these while we were camping and then I finished them at home, is these shorts. And again, this fabric is from Blackbird Fabrics, and these are the Feel Pretty shorts from Ellie and Mac. They, I don't know, my pattern was for the pants, so I just like did my shorts hack to make them shorts, but there is a shorts version. I just didn't have it traced or whatever, so I just used what I had. Anyway, I also hacked pockets. My pockets could have been a little higher, but yeah, I really super love these. Been wearing them a ton. They are high-waisted, super comfy. Of course, they're linen, so they're like all wrinkled up here. You'll see in the pictures that too, but it doesn't bother me at all. I did add extra top stitching in the waistband to give it this like jogger style look. Really happy with them. I think I could probably size down. I think I made the large. I would probably size down next time, but overall, like, they're a very comfy casual pair, and I'm so excited to see how the waistband wears and how it looks after even more washes, because yeah, love them. And then the last thing I made, I just finished the other day and I've been wearing it constantly, is this seamwork bow top. And I made it in Blackbird Fabrics linen. Again, this is the washed, is this the wash linen or the lightweight linen? I don't know. I have a fabric haul video from all this linen and the bull denim that I used as well, and I will link that down below. It's from, all the stuff was from Blackbird Fabrics, so it was a haul, and I go through the different types of linen that they carry and stuff like that. It looks a little brighter on the screen. So it's called Watermelon, but I was really super nervous about this because, I don't know, like, for me to wear something this bright next to my face seems crazy, but I had some people suggest that it would be good for me, so I tried it, and I don't want to take this off ever. It looks, I feel so good in it, and it just makes me so happy. I've been pairing it with those feel pretty shorts. You'll see in the pictures as well, and yeah, really love it. It's the basic bow top. The only thing I did differently was, well, I did French seams because I was too lazy to change my serger thread. So yeah, apparently French seams is easier than that. It's not. French seams are easy, but changing serger thread takes less than 2 minutes. And I did French seams instead. So it is really pretty on the inside. I'll maybe do some pictures of the guts of it too, but that was different. And then the hem, instead of doing a 1-inch double fold hem, I did a 1/2 inch double fold, so it's a little bit longer than the other bow tops I have made, but still love this pattern. Like, I don't know, I probably don't need any more, but am I gonna make some more? Probably. Alright, so that is everything I made in the month of July after a much long rambly video. I hope that it was fun for you to watch though, and I always like seeing everybody else's makes from the months, so leave me some comments down below letting me know, or tag me on Instagram and show me some of your makes that you made this month. Again, I just love seeing everyone's makes, and it's so fun, especially for summer sewing. I don't know why, I just find that there's more variety than winter sewing, even though, you know, it's probably all the same. But that's the end of this video. Make sure you go check out that giveaway video now. And I also want to mention that Seamwork released their 2 new patterns recently. So if you are looking to join Seamwork, now would be a good time, and you can get those 2 new patterns, and you can get $3 off your first month by heading down to that description box and clicking on my link and getting that discount. So thank you all so much for watching this video, and I will catch you in Thursday's video. Have a great week. And don't forget to tag me in those makes. Bye!